Hey there! I am so excited to share my card deck with you. This card deck is truly a labor of love, filled with tools I personally use in my sessions and for my own personal well being. Over the years, I've learned how powerful our thoughts are. They shape how we feel, influence our health, and even determine how our lives unfold. The mind is an incredible tool, and when we shift our thoughts, we can shift our reality. That's why I have infused this deck with affirmations, statements, and forgiveness practices to help you reframe your mindset, resolve inner conflicts, and break free from old patterns. Plus, I've included a simple energy balancing technique to help you reset and realign your energy as you engage with the cards. Each mandala was created by me with intention as part of the transformational experience, paired with healing tools focused on each topic. I call them medicine because looking at them truly brings relief and healing. These mandalas alone have brought incredible relief to so many. I know life gets busy, so I've also created a quick 35-second meditation video with harmonic music to help you shift your energy for the day. And on those extra tough days, just focusing on a single word that's located on the video can make a world of difference. So, who is this deck for? Well, if you're ready to break free from pain, stress, and emotional heaviness, this deck is for you. It's designed to support your physical wellness, easing tension and discomfort and stress in your body, providing mental clarity, shifting negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, emotional awareness, healing past wounds and finding inner peace, your spiritual growth, deepening your connection with yourself and your path, social harmony, strengthening relationships, and improving communication. It's like having a daily session with me right at your fingertips. This deck is here to keep you on track with your goals, provide gentle guidance, and offer daily support as you navigate your personal journey. Whether you're working on self-improvement, healing, well-being, or health, or simply wanting to start your day with positive energy, these cards will help you stay focused and aligned. Imagine starting each day with a simple yet powerful tool that guides you towards clarity, healing, and balance. Whether you're looking for emotional support or a daily dose of inspiration, or a deeper connection with yourself, this deck is designed to meet you where you are and help you to move forward. If you're ready to bring more peace, transformation, and wellness into your life, grab your deck today and start your journey. I can't wait for you to experience this deck and all the magic that it holds. And I wish you clarity, healing, and transformation on whatever path and journey that you are on.